Lebaran and the Chinese New Year was almost the same time. So I think it's good. We don't often get the two times coming together at about the same time. So I think it's good that we bring the two cultures together, and hopefully this carries on into the future for ABB and also for Indonesia, because that is the strength of the company and also strength of the country.